Hello everybody. This game is called Multi-Zone Attack. It's a really great game. It's a version of Ultimate Frisbee that I love to play with younger students. In this game, you can see that we have 3 blue players and that we also have 3 pink players. The 3 blue players are on offense first, and they're going to get 5 chances on offense to try to run the zones. And to run the zones, what we really mean is to try to get the disc into each one of these zones, trying to accumulate the points that each zone offers. So as you can see in this first zone, you can see that the first zone is worth 1 point right there. You can see 1 point right here. The next zone is worth 1 point, the next 1 point, and the final zone, if you can make it all the way down there successfully, is worth 2. So what we're going to do is, same principles of Ultimate Frisbee. The blue team has to get that ball, or Frisbee. In this diagram it's a ball, but in our class it'll be a Frisbee. You have to pass that Frisbee into this zone to get a point. So right now we would say that the blue team has 1 point, and the ball is still live, or the Frisbee is still live. So the blue team is going to keep moving to open space, trying to get into this zone here. So we're going to try to get the ball in here. That passing lane is blocked, so maybe we're going to pass it this way to try to get it to player 1. So now player 1 has the ball, maybe 3 can cut, and if that happens, now this team has another point. They have a second point that they just earned by getting into zone number 2. And so this process continues until a couple of things happen. Until either the pink team knocks the Frisbee to the ground, the blue team drops a Frisbee, or the blue team throws the Frisbee out of bounds. In this example, what we're going to see now is we're going to say that blue player 3 tried to pass it to blue 1, but that pink 1 came in and knocked the ball to the ground. That turn is over. The blue team has earned how many points? See if you can guess. 1 point for getting into that zone, 1 point for getting into that zone. So if you guess 2, you're correct. And then they go back and they start their second turn. Remember, they get 5 turns on offense before switching, and then the other team will turn over, will become the offensive team. This is a really fun game. Hope you enjoy it. It's not as complicated as it seems, but just remember to keep track of points, help each other understand when we're earning points and when we're not. Have a great time. And remember, keep the spirit of the game high. Bye-bye.